Look at these simple, plain shot glasses. Now look at them. They're very blingy, beautiful, and these are very luxurious and blingy. Want to see how I did it? Keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I am going to be adding some embellishments to some shot glasses. These are going to be very pretty, very sparkly, and luxurious, but it's going to be so simple, it's going to blow your mind. So I'm just kind of picking out these brooches that I have. I did an unboxing video showing you these lovely brooches, and this is an acrylic disc. I use these quite often to make brooches for socks, but these are actually like really big. These are 2 inches. I wanted something big and fabulous on these shot glasses. So I picked out some of these rhinestones, and I'm just kind of go around in a circle, kind of like a flower. I'm going to center some bigger pieces of rhinestones. They're kind of like rectangles. I have a kit with those rectangular rhinestones in them. And I also have a kit with these flower claw rhinestones as well. Available on my website, myroyalradiance.com. I'm using some UV resin, and that's what I put on the disc before I started to add the rhinestones. I'm using a wax pickup tool to pick up the rhinestones. Now what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to let this cure under my lamp for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. And I'm going to make sure that this cures on both sides. UV resin is a great quick adhesive to use in my opinion. It really only works when you're working with something that is transparent. If this little disc was black, this would not work at all. You just use some E6000 liquid fusion, you know, another good glue that you know will hold nice and firm. This is great because it dries almost instantly. I'm making 2 of these because I want them to be a set. This is actually going to be a gift from my friend who moved to Texas. We had like a little going away brunch for her a couple weeks ago, and I'm just getting caught up on my editing. But she absolutely loved these brooches. This is for her new luxury apartment. She moved to Texas. Shout out to Texas, and she is doing very well. It's a huge move. And I was just really excited for her, and I wanted her to have something very cute and luxurious to put in her new luxury apartment. So that's why I wanted to make these. I thought it would be really cute and different. The idea came in my mind. So sometimes when I have ideas, I'm like, okay, I know how I want it to look, and I just wasn't sure. And I also thought, like, I've never seen anything like this before, but I know how I want it to look. I looked online. I tried to like type it in different ways that I can. I didn't see anything like this. I like to do stuff that I feel like I created. I just like that. I don't know. So I'm adding some UV resin to the actual glass. Okay. Now most shot glasses are more like a circular glass, and it's like rounded off on the sides. The unique thing about these shot glasses is that they are square. They are like really blocky, you know. So I was able to kind of lay the disc flat on the shot glass, and it worked out very, very well. Because I bought these shot glasses probably a good 2 years ago. I remember doing a DIY with these about 2 years ago. And I was just like, because there were some other ones that were rounded that I liked better. I was able to add rhinestones to the bottom of them, but these were just like little blocks, and I just couldn't really get with it. But now I done found something to do with them, and this is perfect. So it's not a perfect square, but it's like a rounded square, but it works for what I'm using it for. So I also have these metal charms. I'm going to be using this Model 1's UV nail glue. Let me tell you why. Because you can still use UV resin, but I'm going to tell you why I'm using these. Look how when I set that on there, it kind of starts sliding. You know what I'm saying? UV resin is thinner. So when you use it, you have to be quick with it and make sure you lay it where you want it to go. Because sometimes if you're using heavier pieces, it'll begin to slide. Now, this nail UV glue, this is thick. When I say thick, I mean thick, like thicker than E6000, like thick. So you don't have all that slipping and sliding. When you put something on there, I added a little bit of the UV resin, you know, just to give me a little base. But this is thick and it gives me a chance to have it hold in place where I want it to go. So I use both of them. Now I'm going to let this cure. Do you see how flat that piece is? It's gorgeous. That little inspired, Gucci inspired charm. I purchased these from the vendor that I use. The same vendor that I used to order croc charms and brooches. That's all these are. These are croc charms and brooches. I just asked my vendor, can I just have them plain with no backs on them? Because I had other things in mind that I wanted to do. I'm going to use a couple croc charms. Of course, they're new, never used. Just so you know, if you have some croc charms that you're no longer using, I would say new, not one that you didn't already use and walked around on your croc. But if you have one, break the little piece off the back. And if you want to do something like this, that's an alternative. But I do have these as a set on my website. But yeah, the idea was just so simple, but it was just so beautiful. They turned out so pretty. So just watch me go ahead and add this thicker nail glue, UV glue, to the backs of these. I'm just gonna place them as nice and like centered and straight as I possibly can. It's very simple, you guys. Okay, so once you see how they turned out in the end, let me know in the comments, guys, which ones did you prefer the best, the bling or the charm brooches. Let me know. This is actually great and it's extremely beginner friendly. A lot of you don't feel like adding all those little rhinestones on stuff. You're just literally gluing on a piece to a glass and it's just beautiful. Now look, that's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Look, I have croc charms here, new croc charms. Look how easy that breaks off. I used to sell this Fendi one in a set. That's exactly why I stopped selling it. When I would be putting them in crocs, it would break too easily. And I was just like, okay, I can't do this. If it break easy for me, it'll break easy for my customers. Now that one on that Chanel, that one was a little harder. You see, I had to use my scissors to kind of pry it off. So those are two croc charms. And then this is like a brooch or a croc charm or whatever that I just have with nothing on the back of it. So again, just watch me go ahead and add this UV glue on here. Of course, you want to wash your glasses real good with some hot water and wipe the surface down with some alcohol where you want to put the actual brooch. This also would be a really cute Galentine's event favor, like a little party favor or a little gift for your homegirls. Absolutely, because when we met up at the brunch, I already showed y'all the video where I made us some cute little hand sanitizers. This was the second gift I was telling y'all about. So I know y'all gonna have some little gatherings with your homegirls. This will be cute gifts. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of the blingy shot glasses. I think these turned out really cute. My friend really liked them. Of course, up close you can see like the clear disc. Now these are the luxury shot glasses with the brooches and the croc charms. Me personally, I really extra like these a lot. I do. These are so fabulous. You can do so many different ones. I think this would be so cute even if you had something like this on your table, if you did like a pop-up shop. These are great gifts for Christmas, for birthdays, for whatever. Even if you just want to make yourself one and have it like set up on your little bar area at home. These are gorgeous. Or if you know someone who collects shot glasses, if they don't have anything like this in their collection, consider making them this or sending them this video just for some cute little ideas. But I think these are so fabulous. I don't know. I just really like these. It was so quick. It was so convenient. I just knew I wanted to have like a couple things to take to the brunch. The hand sanitizers that I did and added little charms and things to those. And these shot glasses were a big hit. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope it does give you some type of inspiration or something in mind that you can maybe sell or anything like that. But thanks you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook, send it to someone who may be interested, and thanks again for watching. Bye bye. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. We also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more.